how to connect HubSpace to Wi-Fi. So this applies to housemate smart plugs, lights, fans, and other Home Depot smart devices. Before anything, make sure you have good network, like uh, something that's just stable. But of course, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, since apparently it doesn't support 5. Your Wi-Fi name and password, the HubSpace app. If you don't have the HubSpace app, just go ahead and download it directly. Just search for HubSpace and you will be able to find it immediately. Go ahead and open that. And then your phone connected to the same 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi as well. So in our case, we already have the 2.4 ready, but just go ahead and press on the let's get started option. First, you're gonna have to log in as well. Put in your email and password if you have an account. If not, you're gonna have to register first. So you're gonna have to follow the password requirements as well. And once you go ahead and register and get into HubSpace, you can enter it directly. Make sure to allow most of the permissions as well, like allowing it to connect and determine the relative positions of nearby devices. Of course, this will help and allow the HubSpace to follow on with the process. So first things first, you're gonna have to add your product over here or add device and select the type of device as well. Over here, allow, just make sure to allow everything. Once it's done, most HubSpace products have a QR code. You can scan that as well. Scan it with your phone, and if the scanning fails, you can enter the code manually. After that, you can put the device in pairing mode, look for the indicator light. If it's flashing, it's ready to pair. If not, you can reset the device for a bit to go make it ready to pair. Connect to your Wi-Fi. The app itself will ask you to choose your Wi-Fi, so select your 2.4 gigahertz network, enter the Wi-Fi password, then continue. It could take a few seconds, but once you do this, you can name your device after successful connection, give it a name, assign it to a room. Oops, I exited the app, unfortunately. And then you can tap finish. This way your device will now be connected to the Wi-Fi and be ready to use. I don't have a device to go for an example, but that is the process on connecting your HubSpace to Wi-Fi. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.